Many people who come to me for help when they've been injured in a car accident ask, does it make a difference who the insurance company is on the other side? Well, let me tell you, whether it's Geico, State Farm, Allstate, or Liberty Mutual, they all have one thing in common. My name is Robert Gluck, and I'm a trial lawyer here in Florida, and I've been practicing since 1989. I handle cases out of my main office in Plantation, and I have an office in Naples, Florida as well. We handle cases throughout the state. Well, all of those insurance companies have one thing in common, and that one thing is they don't stay in business by paying everything that a plaintiff's lawyer asks them for. When I make a demand for a settlement, I almost never receive everything that I'm asking for. I have to fight for my clients to get them the justice they deserve. I have to show the insurance company the extent of my client's injury. I have to prove to the insurance adjuster that the injuries came from the accident that they were involved in and not from some pre-existing condition, and not from when they played football in high school, and not from something that happened when they were a child. I have to document their wage loss. I have to document their loss of future ability to earn income. I have to help show the insurance adjuster why they should be paying my client what I'm asking for. There's no magic to what I do. It's hard work, and I've been doing it for over 32 years, and I will be happy to put my skills to work for you to help you and your family get the justice they deserve. So if you need help with a personal injury case and need a lawyer on your side to fight with the insurance companies, no matter which one it is, call me, dial 877-GLUCK-LAW, or send me an email at robert@robertgluck.com. If you like this video, you could subscribe to my channel, or you could also click thumbs up for this particular video and forward me any questions that you have. I'll be happy to answer them. Thank you and have a great day.